that thing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got me a Traxxas X-Maxx. The biggest, baddest RC truck on the market. I'm gonna open this thing up in a little bit. This is the one I got. I got the rock and roll version. That's the one I got. I was thinking about getting the green body, but I figured I would get something with some color. And of course, you gotta have all the necessities. Gotta have the charger and batteries. And because I know I haven't driven a car, an RC car, in probably 15 years. So I'm probably going to tear this thing up. So I bought an extra body that I'm going to paint, and I'll have that on my channel and what it looks like when it's done. Because I'm going to take the factory body off and put it on a shelf, because they don't make those factory bodies. So that way I can break up the ones that I buy. And I decided that I'm going to paint it this color, blue and black. And then I'm going to do a white over top of the blue so it lightens it up a little bit. If I do a dark color over the blue, it'll darken it up. So I'm going to do that. And then I got a dust cover for the body, the inside, so I don't get dust and dirt all in the electrical components. So I got that as well. So today was a good day. I'm excited, like a big kid again. I love it. This thing's heavy. You can see how big this is. I'm 6'2" and good looking. This thing's big. That's how this thing opens. We're improvising, Emma. Ooh wee! Look at this thing. Not even out of the box and looking mean. I gotta figure out how to open this thing. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Don't know what all that is. Figure it out. I know what this is. Bam. It's my controller. Man, they packed this thing in here good. Oh, they got it all zip tied. I guess I gotta go get some tools. Oh, 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 oh. This thing's big. Oh, oh, there it goes. Oh, now I don't know how to get this bag off. Do a little like this. A little like that. We'll get it off. Probably have to take the body off. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We're getting it. Oh, yeah. She's unwrapped. This is it. Man, this thing's heavy too. Now we get to go out and play with it here after I charge everything up. It's even got a wheelie bar on the back. Supposedly it does over 50 miles an hour. This thing's big. Man. Ready to go drive this thing.